Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the USB device is not recognized in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, contrary to the suggestions given by other websites and channels, I will stick to two solutions. If it is a hardware issue, it's a hardware issue, and I will obviously advise you to try connecting your device to a different USB slot to check if it is an issue with the USB slot, whether your system or the device itself, and try connecting your device to another computer. Now, once this part is done, coming to the software part, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now, expand this list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers, which is the expanded version of USB. Right click on each USB root hub driver and update it. Right click and then update the drivers. Okay, this is the maximum you can do from your end, but there's one more thing that you can try, which is a clean boot to isolate the cause where another third party program is interfering. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.